Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door handle in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 10 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door handle. This door handle is mounted on the right side French door. It's equipped with a button that allows only the outer door to open, giving access to the door shelves without opening the entire door. The main reason to replace the refrigerator door handle is if it's damaged or broken and won't stay in place, or the button won't work. To remove the door handle, we need to open the door partially. As you can see, we have two screws here, one on the top, one on the bottom. Using a Torx 10 screwdriver, I'm going to loosen up the top and the bottom screws. You don't need to take them out. And now the bottom screw. And now we can pull off the handle. This is the old refrigerator door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now I'm going to install the new door handle. We'll have here openings here and at the bottom, and it goes over those two pins. And this post goes into the hole here in the door. Technically, when you match the upper and bottom pins, that middle pin will have to go inside. There's no other way to go. And now I'm going to tighten the upper screw using a Torx 10 screwdriver. And now I'm going to tighten the bottom one. All right, now I'm going to close the door, and we're going to check if this the front door opens easily. I'm going to press that button, and it works. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.